Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Food Network on Vizio TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Vizio TV. Press the home button on your remote control. Navigate to the App Store on your Vizio TV. Look for the Food Network app in the App Store. If you don't see it, use the search function to find it. Once you locate the Food Network app, select it. Click on the Install button to download the app. After installation, open the Food Network app. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this code carefully. Now, grab a smartphone or computer. Open your web browser and go to the Food Network activation website. Here, you will be prompted to enter the activation code. Input the code from your TV screen. Sign in using your TV provider credentials if required. Once you've entered the code and signed in, click Activate. Return to your Vizio TV. The Food Network app should now be activated. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Food Network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.